More aggressive than a random orbit sander and more portable than a benchtop sander, belt sanders are great at quick material removal, particularly when working with larger workpieces or when timber leveling. And the Triton TA1200BS is exceptional at it, with a few extra tricks up its sleeve to boot. The TA1200BS will churn through any sanding job you'll be doing, but its real strength lies in its innovative dust extraction, inverted sanding capabilities, and many other practical features. With a powerful 1200-watt motor, this sander has more than enough power to take on the biggest, roughest slab. An updated roller assembly makes for class-leading dust extraction, with more than 30% more dust extracted and collected than other brands, when hooked up to a dust extraction system or to the included dust bag. Plus, the 28.2mm inner, 33.3mm outer dust extraction port is side-mounted for convenience, better visibility, and to keep your workspace clear. The anti-friction graphite plate in the sanding base significantly reduces heat buildup during operation, resulting in less tool wear, less gumming and paper wear, more sanding time, and a finer finish. A flat top and included inversion clamps convert the belt sander into a stable bench-mounted sander for more functionality, adding more precision for shaping of small parts, edge sanding, and contouring, with a removable backstop for more control over the material and increased safety, preventing the workpiece from slipping during sanding. A redesigned compact front roller means you can work in confined spaces, meaning edges, corners, and detailed work are a breeze. For better handling, you get a large adjustable front bail handle with an ergonomic rubber over-molded grip, and rear handle with a trigger lock, so you can sand over large surfaces in comfort with improved control and reduced strain. Variable speed control allows you to efficiently work with a range of materials. Use a lower speed for veneers or finishing work, higher for more aggressive material removal and larger surfaces. Belt tracking adjustment makes sure your belts are always aligned for efficient sanding and increasing the life of your belts, preventing uneven sanding with a smoother, more uniform surface. Included in the box, you get 80, 100, and 180 grit sanding belts to get you started. Changing the belt is quick and tool-free thanks to the front tension lever. Use a coarser grit for faster material removal, finer for smoothing and creating a polished surface. Working through the grits is important for an even finish and to avoid scratches and tool marks. Built using magnesium for the body to make it lightweight and easy to handle, with the added benefit of improved noise and vibration reduction. The TA1200BS has a powerful 1200-watt motor, a 75 by 533mm belt, with a sanding area of 75 by 150mm. Superior dust extraction with 28.2mm inner and 33.3mm outer port, a no-load speed of 200 to 450 revolutions per minute, and weighing just over 5 kilograms. A belt sander is an essential tool for anyone looking to take on larger surfaces or more stubborn bits of timber, and the TA1200BS can do that and so much more. With inverted sanding, improved dust extraction, and enhanced ergonomic features for comfortable sanding, the TA1200BS is the perfect all-rounder for everything from rough stock prep to fine finishing.